What's up everybody? I got my Akai Mpk Mini right here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. As you can see, some keys are working, but there's two that are not. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. As you can see, I took some screws out already to get the process started. And you have all of these little screws right here that we have to take out in order to get inside of the Mpk Mini. So let's just go ahead and get started with this thing. So as you can see, I took out just every single screw right here, and you want to be careful when you're taking them out because you can actually damage the screws and they will not go back in. So let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. Sure, and you want to be careful because you got the little USB port on the left side on this over here. So you just figure it out a little bit. Don't force it out, but just be careful. You don't want to break it because then you'll be miniless. This thing's can be a little challenge. There we go. And be careful when you're opening it because it does have this little ribbon attached to it. So you want to be extra careful. You do not want to break that because then you're screwed. So check this out. I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and be very careful. There's these little black openings here on the side. You're going to want to just gently pull them upward. So like this, check it out. So just pull them up both together at the same time, and now you're free to be able to go ahead and look at the issue of the Mini. Alright, so as you can see, it has these little screws right here holding these keys in place, and these are the two that are broken. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and start to unscrew them very carefully. I didn't have a screwdriver, so I'm using this thing. So I already took all the screws out. Okay, now we're going to take the keys off. So you want to grab the black and the white one off together. The white one is the one you want to take off first, and as you can see, there's the bottom of it, and then you can see it's a little dirty in there, and this little piece right here, like you see that piece, that's the piece that's broken. It seems like it's not getting pressed down, so we're gonna look at the bottom of it to figure this thing out. And yeah, look, this thing is bent, so we're gonna have to straighten that out so it can go underneath properly. So just be careful, you don't want to break it off. So just be careful and gentle with it. Don't put too much pressure because then you'll break it. Yeah, there you go. Let's straighten. Nope. Yeah. Just be careful. Now look, it works. So you want to take these little plastic things off. It holds the little keys down. It responds to it. So you want to grab some of this type of alcohol, iso whatever. Get that one. And you can get a Q-tip. I use a Q-tip just because it's soft. So let's fast forward for you guys. By the way, I also use a toothbrush to kind of clean it out better, and the alcohol will automatically dry up by itself. Now that that's all taken care of, you're gonna put the white back with the black keys, and you're gonna carefully put them back into place, aligned with the screw holes. Alright, cool. Seems like we got it in there. Just want to make sure it's all evened out. And look, now we have working keys. Sweet. Bam. Oh, my bad. So you see, they work now, which is awesome. Now I can put this thing back together. It's fixed. So now my keyboard is finally working. Those pieces that were broken are fixed. Sometimes it could just be the board is a little dirty. Other times it can be, something's broken. And we're gonna put the ribbon back, and you want to stick these things back out so that way when you go put it back in, you can just pull it back up and it'll lock in place. Just reminder, still be very careful with this. You do not want to rip it. Take some time, because the thing, you might push it in and out, and then it's like a little tug of war. So now that I got my little ribbon piece back in, now we can put this bad boy back on and get back to making beats. Yeah, just be careful with the USB port again. Do not want to break that or damage it. So it seems like everything's back on, right? Oh, except for this side. Hold up. Man. Yeah, you can't be patient with it, man. You can't. Don't break it. So now let's get the screws back on. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Thanks.